Daddy
and
Kittens!
Today we will learn the names of the flowers. Come on in. One rose. Two roses. One daisy. Two daisies. One sunflower. Two sunflowers. One tulip. Two tulips. One carnation. Two carnations. One orchid. Two orchids. One lupin. Two lupins. One lily. Two lilies. One iris. Two irises. One gerbera. Two gerberas. Hello! Today we'll make 3D hyacinth. To make 3D hyacinth, we need tough paper. What color is it?
Green,
And this?
pink,
We need glue.
blue.
We need scissors. Don't forget, you cannot use the scissors if your parents are not around. We need ruler. We need pencil. And we need eraser, just in case. 3, 2, 1, go! Flower pot, soil, stem, leaf, flower.
Sponsored by IQ English.